Usambut Menteri Rangba Jylla Beit Katanat Kampo Yeng ba Prestun Tensong Uliatho ba Sorkar kala Peitngor ba penklan Khubor pahara ban pentikna ba Jingrakhe ya Independence Day haka khatsan tarik Mynta ubnai kanong ka Iaid Beit Iaid renti Mynta Snem haka Jingrakhe bat kilat pathai Khubor usambut Menteri Rangba Uliatho ba uladap ru ban lum ya Jinglang bat ki kli jeng ki district kentup nadu ki deputy commissioner hadu ki SP ban penkre naga banta kani ka Jingrakhe.
At a meeting with all the district heads, as I said to both deputy commissioners and the SPs of all the districts in the state of Meghalaya, where I have reviewed the the coming celebration of the Independence Day, and all the SPs or the DCs has assured us that the celebration will be sure happen peacefully, and I'm sure we will be able to do that, and no incident will happen during the celebration. Well, I think that is wrong. If you say that last 2 years people are not coming to take part in the celebration, I think that is totally wrong. Except if maybe due to heavy rain. If the heavy rain happens, that is different issue. But if you look at this the reports, in fact, the turnout is very satisfactory, and I'm sure in this coming celebration also, people will fully take part as a token of gratefulness, as a token of gratitude, of being remembering back the fighting that we had to get the independence of our own. So instruction has been given. I think it should be well, presented by the concerned department, and we have already even instructed all the concerned department to fully take part in this celebration of independence.